Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's a beautiful, probably about 80 degrees here in Arizona and just so enjoying the weather. So today I'm unboxing my Inspo Box. It's a monthly, kind of a beauty lifestyle subscription. It has a little bit of this and that in there. And it's $29.99 a month and about $4.99 shipping, so it comes out to a little bit less than $35 a month. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. And if you like my channel and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And for all of the, can't even talk, for all of those that are returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. So let's get into the box. I get this occasionally. I don't know. I stop it, I start it. I really don't know how it works. They send you like an email. Your subscription's gonna renew. Do you want it to renew? So again, I get it every so often. And I don't think it comes with a sheet that's what is in here or retail prices. But I think it retails for about $100. And the first thing that I take out of the box is Pure Aura, and it's a facial oil. And I do get quite the facial oils in my boxes. I have trimmed down tremendously on like total beauty boxes like BoxyCharm and Ipsy because there's no way I can use all the products. And I'm going to try to open it without damaging the package. It does have a sticker on here, so I don't want to damage it. It's just a facial oil. I don't think it is, and of course I left my glasses on the other side of the room. You just use 1 or 2 drops of oil. You put it in your hand, you apply to a clean, dry face, and you just leave it on there. So it really isn't a cleanser, and you can mix this with your foundation or your regular moisturizer. So I bet you the bottle is really pretty, but I just don't want to damage the packaging. So that is the first item. And the second item looks kind of Disney-ish. So Janine, if you're watching, it's by Dosa Color, and they must have a Disney collection out. So let's just check this out. This I will open. I probably won't swatch it if I'm not going to use it. I'm not sure if I'll like the colors, but what a cute packaging idea. So let's see. Yeah, these are not colors that I would use, but it's a really pretty palette. It does have like neutrals in there, and it's probably a blush, but I'm not sure about the purple and the orange, so I'm not sure if I am going to use this or not. But it is a nice palette, and it is by Disney, so I'm sure that's worth quite a bit. And it would be nice if they put the retail prices on here. So I do like that, and it is the Disney Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and that is a blush that they include in there. So that's definitely well worth, excuse me, well worth the price. And then we have Pixie by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. And that's what that looks like. It's all sealed again, which is a good thing. You always want your product sealed. And I'm using Dr. Brandt right now. So I'm not sure if I will put this on Mercari or just put it in a giveaway but I probably will not use it because I really like my Dr. brand. But that is nice to get in there. And they usually give you about 5 to 6 items in this subscription. And then we have probiotic vitamin mist, and it is wrapped in a big plastic bag, which is nice because sometimes the items leak and they get everywhere, and then it makes the whole box useless. So let's see if I could get this out. Do you guys have any plans for the weekend? I know last weekend was Halloween, so that's kind of hard to top. And this is a vitamin mist and Nourish anti-aging brightener. So I kind of feel a little grease on the outside, but I'll give it a try. It doesn't really have much of a smell. It didn't have a cap either, so that's probably why they put it in the bag. So I do go through a lot of mist. And then there's this kind of a, I don't know if it's a scarf or a clothing item in here. So I'm thinking it's a scarf. And they packaged it up. And it feels very soft. It isn't a pattern that I would wear. But I am thinking it's a scarf. And let's see if I could. Yes, it's definitely a scarf, but it is very, very soft. And it's got the little fringy on the bottom. And they put it on a little hanger. So that was everything in my Inspo box. So we got this really pretty scarf. As I said, I'm not a scarf wearer in general. I don't really have any need to wear a scarf. So we got that. We got this pure oil. We have the probiotic spray, which of course I will use and have used. And we have the face primer. And then we have this Disney palette, which again is not my cup of tea, but it is a nice palette to have in a subscription box. So what did you think of it? Does any of you get this subscription? What did you think? Any good products in there? So let me know. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to give my channel a watch. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.